Hey friends, welcome back to South Florida Real Estate Tips, your go-to spot for decoding the housing market. I'm Gloria, your real estate bestie, and today we're diving into a big one, the new condo law HB 913 that has been shaking things up and started July 1st of this year, 2025. So what's the HB 913? It's a Florida law designed to make condos, especially older ones, safer, more transparent, and financially healthy. It was passed after some tragic building failures, and now lawmakers have said, we're not playing around anymore. There is now no more kicking the can down the road on repairs. You know how some buildings just patch up stuff and hope for the best. Yeah, no more. Under HB 913, condo boards must act on structural issues flagged in their milestone inspections. No ghosting the cracks in the concrete anymore. Reserve funds are now mandatory. Boards can't waive reserves for major repairs anymore. Let me say that again. No more waiving reserves for stuff like roof, plumbing, or foundation. That means owners might see higher dues, but it also means less chance of a surprise $50,000 special assessment when something goes wrong. Long term, it's smarter. Now, transparency is not optional. Condo associations now have to upload key documents like inspection reports, financials, and maintenance plans to a public state database so buyers can finally see what's really going on before they buy. Hello, informed decisions. Milestone inspections are now the real deal. If your building is 3 stories or more and 30 plus years old, or 25 years if you're near the coast, you must have a milestone inspection. And it's no longer just check the box deal. If structural problems show up, the board must fix them. It's the law. So buyers, pay attention. If you're shopping for a condo, especially one in an older building, ask to see the milestone inspection reports and reserve studies. If they're not available, that's a huge red flag. Also, expect some buildings to increase monthly fees to stay compliant, which might seem like a bummer now, but it could save your equity later. This isn't just another law, it's a total shift in how Florida condos operate. HB 913 is about safety, accountability, and financial planning. So yeah, dues might go up, but so will your peace of mind. And in real estate, that's everything. If you're thinking about buying a condo, or you're a current owner, and you're not sure how this impacts you, drop your questions in the comments or slide into my DMs. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Floridians who love a good high-rise view and low drama living. See you in the next video.